In this video, we're diving into a detailed review of Sophie's boutique Hamptons. Found at sophiesboutique-hamptons.com, which claims to offer massive discounts of up to 80% on women's accessories as part of a supposed closeout sale after 27 years in business. That 27-year claim, however, raises some red flags when we look closer, especially with what a simple domain lookup reveals about when the site was actually registered. The prices advertised might seem tempting at first glance, but in reality, many of the items are more expensive than what you'd find on established platforms like Amazon, which is strange for a clearance store. A deeper look into their product images also reveals inconsistencies, with many photos appearing to be taken from other websites, suggesting they might not be selling what they show. There's also a notable lack of reliable contact information and zero active social media presence, which is usually a standard for any legitimate online store these days. And finally, we take into account real user reviews from around the web, many of which point to issues with order fulfillment and suspicions of the site being a potential scam. Overall, this review isn't about blindly labeling the site as fake or authentic, but about laying out all the facts so you can make an informed decision before spending your hard-earned money.